Thank you, honey.
You're welcome, dear.
What's in the bag? Oh, that's yours?
Yep, there are
The
two
burger?
of
They're yours. Oh.
You're not imagining things. It's backwards.
No, I can't. I'm just got the Magic Lens software on this camera, and there, couldn't get exposure. There. All right, that's the burrito. Let's go. My bag. The bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. As I delicately balance vlogging, not easy.
I'm sure that's exactly what people want to see.
Yeah. No. Well, enjoy my sandwich. You can have it. We are at this, we're off of 91, going that way north to Northampton, which is an oasis of hipness. I just need to immerse myself in hipster culture for a day. Let's take a look around this lighting, this so-called scenic area. You know, this is Central Mass. This is Amherst. So let's take a look around to see if we can find some drug paraphernalia. Let's take a look around. Nope, none yet. Hi, that's amazingly scenic. Yeah. Look around. Oh, look at this. Hey, it's art. Because it is Amherst, this area. Alright, go around. I don't know about you, this whole thing's a trash hole, which pretty much says a lot about this, unfortunately, about this area. So I think we're just gonna move on. Any hipsters yet?
Too many of them.
I don't know, I haven't spotted any beards yet.
Oh, they're beyond that.
Oh, that's right. See, I called it clean shaven. I was ahead of the curve. I was cool before it was cool.
Sweetheart, you ain't never been cool.
That's the point.
Chilly, you've been. You've been chilly, but chilly ain't never gonna be cool. I would like to go on record as saying I think Northampton's a bit of a shithole.
It's a little edgy.
I'm not even calling it edgy. I'm calling it wannabe. It's trying too hard. And it's trying too hard because of Smith College. Like all college students, they're trying too hard to be what people want them to be. As opposed to being true to what they really are. But that's part of growing up.
Hey, look. Trains! Trains! Oh my god, trains!